Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how can you change email on Roblox account. In order to change email on Roblox account, you need to follow the steps. So first of all, you want to open your Roblox application and log in. So once logged in, this is how the interface is going to look. So after which, what you want to do is here, simply click on the More tab from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. And after which, you want to scroll down and go to Settings. So when you go to settings, you could find a lot of options. So click on account info from the top of the page. As you go to account info, there you have the email address, right? So next to it, there you could also find this pencil shape icon. Click that out and change your email address. All you need is to enter in the new email address that you want to change. Make sure to confirm the terms and condition and click on change email. As soon as you change your email, then you have to verify. So what you need to do is enter in the verification code that will be sent to the newly registered, or it's going to be a registered email address. So just enter in the pin, and once you're done with that, you might also want to ask, or you'll be asked to type in your password. Confirm it so, and you've successfully changed your email on Roblox account. So that is the simplest way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.